Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily forex analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD or US dollar, Canadian dollar for 3rd March 2021, Wednesday. So this analysis is for Wednesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So right now you can see that I'm using 1 hour time frame and the picture is not very clear. Okay, isn't it? If you look at the screen, you can see that the picture is not very clear and I have marked two levels. Okay, to get a clear picture, let's switch to the higher time frame or my favorite 4 hours time frame. So we can see that market was in downtrend. Okay, big downtrend, and after that market reversed from here. There was a sharp recovery of the market and boom, and from here market again started coming down. So we can do three things here. Okay, three strategies for USD CAD for today. Let me take the pencil. Okay, the first is let the market go up, or when the market will go up. Okay, just observe how the market reacts after reaching the 1.2747, this level. Okay, how the market reacts. Okay, if market gives a breakout or market successfully crosses this line or this level, okay, then let the market stay above this level for at least 1 hour. Okay, okay, let the market trade comfortably above this level for 1 hour. Let the resistance become the support, then only you should go ahead and initiate a buy position. Okay, and if you see that after hitting this level market is unable to cross the level and market shows you some kind of reversal or price rejection from above like this, okay, then you can initiate a short position. Clear? In case market comes down and hits this support level, we because after when market was coming down, market took sharp recovery from this price zone, so there is a good support available at this point. Okay, so if market comes down to this price level and if you see some price rejection from below like this, see wicks, price rejection from below, and if you see some price reversal from here, okay, if market reverses from here, then you can initiate a buy position on this level or above this level. And somehow you see that if market crosses this level, okay, with some good volume, okay, if you see that market has crossed this particular strong support and there is good volume, sellers are very much in pressure, okay, then you can short the market, okay, below this level. And in between this range, okay, you can, if you want and if you have got a good risk appetite, then you can go for one more type of a strategy, and that is let the stochastic RSI move to the overbought zone. Okay, okay, when stochastic RSI will be going, when the price will be going up a little bit, stochastic RSI will also go, is not it? Okay, when stochastic RSI will start coming down again, okay, after reaching the overbought zone, okay, stochastic RSI will again come down. Okay, then you can initiate a short position. Okay, suppose after some time when market will go up, stochastic RSI will also go up, and after some time it will come down again. Okay, then just look at the position of stochastic RSI. If it is in overbought zone and if it is coming down from the overbought territory, you can short the market, okay, for some quick profit. Otherwise, these two levels are the main levels where you should take your trade. Okay, if you're looking for an ideal trade or a disciplined trade, so these two are the levels for USD Canadian dollar. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and thank you so much. Okay, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to get regular market analysis. You can also check my forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. to check the analysis of other currency pairs. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and good luck.